Alright, before we jump into the video, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Don't go out there trying to be a superhero and get yourself in trouble. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more cybersecurity content just like this. Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk, sipping your coffee, thinking everything's secure. Your firewall's up, your passwords are strong, and your antivirus is running. But then, out of nowhere, your system gets hacked. How? Because you missed one tiny vulnerability. One open door that hackers slipped through. Sounds terrifying, right? Well, in 2025, the stakes are higher than ever. Cyber attacks are smarter, faster, and more devastating. But here's the good news. You don't have to be a sitting duck. Today, I'm going to show you the best vulnerability scanning tools in 2025. Tools that can help you find those hidden weaknesses before the hackers do. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. Because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stay one step ahead. First up, we have Nessus. Now, if vulnerability scanners were superheroes, Nessus would be Iron Man. It's fast, powerful, and comes packed with features. We're talking about the ability to scan entire networks, web applications, you name it. Nessus digs deep to find vulnerabilities like outdated software, those risky misconfigurations we've all been guilty of, and even zero-day exploits. That's the kind of stuff that keeps you up at night. But here's where Nessus really shines in 2025, AI-driven threat intelligence. It doesn't just point out the problems, it's like having your own personal cybersecurity advisor telling you exactly how to fix them. And don't worry, you don't need Tony Stark's engineering degree to use it. Nessus has a super user-friendly interface that even beginners can navigate. Think about it. You get a detailed report, color-coded risk levels, and even customized recommendations. It's like having a team of cybersecurity experts at your fingertips 24/7. And let's be real, in the world of cyber threats, you need all the help you can get. Nessus is that extra layer of protection, that peace of mind knowing you're not going into this fight blind. So whether you're running a small business or managing a complex network, Nessus has got your back. It's the kind of tool that can make all the difference between a secure system and a hacker's playground. Next up, let's talk about OpenVAS. If Nessus is Iron Man, then OpenVAS is like Robin, always there to lend a helping hand. It's open source, which means it's completely free to use. But don't let that fool you. OpenVAS is a serious contender in the vulnerability scanning arena. We're talking about a tool that's constantly being updated by a global community of cybersecurity experts. That means you're getting access to the latest vulnerability databases, cutting-edge scanning techniques, and all of that without spending a dime. And the best part? OpenVAS is incredibly customizable. You can tweak and tune it to fit your specific needs, whether you're a seasoned ethical hacker or an IT professional just starting out. It's like having a toolbox full of cybersecurity gadgets that you can mix and match to create the perfect setup. But it's not just about the features. OpenVAS is built on a foundation of transparency and collaboration. The source code is right there for anyone to see, analyze, and contribute to. That means you can be sure that there are no hidden backdoors or shady practices going on. And in a world where trust is paramount, OpenVAS stands out as a beacon of openness and reliability. It's the kind of tool that empowers you to take control of your own cybersecurity without breaking the bank. So if you're looking for a powerful, versatile, and completely free vulnerability scanning tool, OpenVAS is definitely worth checking out. It might not have the flashy interface of some of its commercial counterparts, but it more than makes up for it with its raw power and flexibility. Alright, so you want something powerful and easy to use. Let's talk about Qualys. This is like the Swiss Army knife of vulnerability scanning. It's got a tool for everything. Qualys lives in the cloud, which means you can scan your entire infrastructure from anywhere in the world. No more being tied to a single machine or network. You've got the flexibility to scan on your terms wherever you are. But here's the real game changer in 2025. Continuous monitoring. Qualys doesn't just do a one-and-done scan. It's constantly keeping an eye on your systems, 24/7, like a dedicated cybersecurity guard dog. Imagine this. A new vulnerability pops up in a piece of software you use. Qualys detects it instantly and sends you an alert, giving you a head start to patch things up before any hacker even knows what hit them. That's the kind of proactive security that can save you from a world of hurt. And it's not just about speed. Qualys gives you actionable insights. You get detailed reports, prioritized vulnerabilities, and even step-by-step remediation guidance. It's like having a personal cybersecurity consultant on call, ready to guide you through any situation. So whether you're a small business owner or a seasoned IT professional, Qualys can help you stay ahead of the curve. It's the kind of tool that gives you peace of mind, knowing that your digital assets are always protected. Speaking of staying ahead, let's talk about Nexpose. This tool is all about real-time risk assessment. It doesn't just find vulnerabilities, it ranks them based on how critical they are, so you know exactly where to focus your efforts. Think of it like this. You've got a to-do list, but everything's on fire. Nexpose comes in and tells you which fire to put out first, so you don't waste time on the small stuff while your whole system's going up in flames. But Nexpose takes it a step further. It integrates with Metasploit, which is basically a hacker's playground. This means you can simulate real-world attacks on your own systems, see how bad things could get if a hacker found that vulnerability, and then patch it up before they even have a chance. It's like a fire drill for your cybersecurity, but instead of just practicing, you're actually putting out fires before they start. And trust me, in the world of cybersecurity, practice makes perfect. Nexpose gives you that real-world experience, that hands-on knowledge of how attacks happen and how to defend against them. It's not just about finding vulnerabilities, it's about understanding the risks, prioritizing your defenses, and being prepared for anything. Now, if you're dealing with web applications, and let's be real, who isn't these days? Burp Suite is an absolute must-have. This is like the Sherlock Holmes of web vulnerability scanners. It doesn't just scan, it investigates. We're talking about a tool that can sniff out everything from SQL injection to cross-site scripting, those sneaky vulnerabilities that hackers love to exploit. But Burp Suite doesn't stop there. It actually helps you exploit those vulnerabilities yourself, in a safe environment, of course, so you can see how they work and how to fix them. But here's the kicker. Burp Suite is constantly evolving. In 2025, it's smarter than ever, with machine learning algorithms that can predict where vulnerabilities are likely to appear before they even become a problem. It's like having a crystal ball for your web security, giving you a glimpse into the future of potential threats. And that's a powerful advantage in the constantly evolving world of cybersecurity. So if you're serious about web application security, Burp Suite is the tool for you. It's the kind of tool that can save you from headaches, data breaches, and sleepless nights. Last but not least, we have Acunetix. This is like the sniper of vulnerability scanners, precise, accurate, and deadly effective. It specializes in web application security and is ridiculously fast. We're talking about scanning thousands of pages in minutes. But here's where Acunetix really shines in 2025 compliance. It helps you meet those ever-changing industry standards like GDPR and PCI DSS. So you're not just secure, you're compliant, which is a big deal in today's world. Acunetix takes the guesswork out of compliance. It gives you detailed reports, highlights areas where you need to improve, and even provides guidance on how to meet those specific requirements. It's like having a team of auditors on your side, making sure you're always one step ahead of the regulators. And in a world where data breaches can cost millions, having that peace of mind is priceless. Acunetix is the kind of tool that can save you from fines, lawsuits, and reputational damage. So there you have it, the best vulnerability scanning tools in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tools can help you find and fix vulnerabilities before the hackers do. But remember, no tool is a silver bullet. The key to staying secure is staying vigilant. So keep scanning, keep updating, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips and tricks. And if you've used any of these tools, let me know in the comments which one's your favorite. Until next time, stay safe, stay secure, and keep hacking, the ethical way, of course.